giving any like you are not paying the material cost actually to the subcontracting vendor. Okay, the service charge only we will pay to the subcontracting vendor. Okay. So what are the things we need to consider? First is material master. Material master, special procurement, we need to maintain as a subcontracting. Okay, and we need to maintain a vendor. Okay, and we need to maintain a subcon info record. Okay, then we need to create a subcon PO. Okay, with item category is L. Okay, then we need to do the goods issue with the 541. Okay, which means we are issuing the subcontracting material to vendor. Okay, and that vendor process and they will provide to us back. Okay, so by this we will provide 541 and we will take like we will take as a finished product. Okay, so in 541 like we will provide everything to the subcontracting vendor, even it is a raw material or semi-finished, finished method, everything we will provide in that one only. Okay, so then he will give. Okay, then we will take as a finished product in the goods. So then we will take as a finished product from the subcontracting vendor as a MIGO. Okay, then the payment will be initiated through Myro. Okay, so I'll go to Material Master. So here we need to maintain a special procurement as a 30. 30 means subcontracting, 10 means consignment. Okay. So this is not mandatory, but if you maintain, so when you have the MRP at that time, if you maintain, so these things will be picked automatically. Okay. Okay. Anyhow, we have vendor. Now what I'll do, I'll create a subcontracting PO. Sorry, info record. Okay. Just so the process wise is same. So we are not doing anything much. Okay. It's already there. Subcontracting info record also there. Just we'll create a subcontracting PO. Now we'll go to ME21N. Okay. Item category here. L we need to make. Yes. Okay. So how much quantity I need to enter? I need to enter one quantity. So here it is asking a component. So here you are asking like a finished product, this one, and it is asking components. What are the components required to manufacture this material? Okay. So go to material data. Okay. So here there is a two ways. Components you can give as a single components, or you can explore the BOM. BOM is nothing but a bill of materials. Okay. So here I'm maintaining like this only. Okay. So I'll making as a one quantity. Okay. Then click on save. Which did you remember?
Yeah, price.
Some error is coming. Okay, so now error got cleared. Okay. Now I create the subcontracting PO. Okay, now PO got created. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to issue the stock to the subcontracting vendor. 457. Okay. Go to Migo. Or like you can directly issue the stock with reference to ME2O. Okay, so here you can put and the components you can provide here. Okay, and click on enter. Click on execute. Okay, now automatically it will come. So what is the purchase order and all those things details will come. Select this one. Click on post the goods issue. So automatically the stock issued to the subcontracting vendor. So before that, what we need to do is we need to see the stock here.
Okay.
For this material. Okay, so subcontracting stock there is no, right?
Yes.
Selected post goods issue. So what is the storage location? So 03. The quantity is 1. Okay. Item is posted. Just click on the refresh. Okay. Now you can see stock provided to vendor is how much? 1.
Okay.
Okay. Now we given a stock to the vendor. Now we need to take the material back. Yeah. So like by this, like what we did is we issued the components to the subcontracting vendor. Okay. Now what we will do is we will take that material back.
The raw material or a finished product material?
We will take finished product. We already provided
Okay.
raw material. Na?
Okay,
So here
that's
you
right.
can see the components will be come as a 121. So 543, sorry. 541 we issued, na? 543 it will be open.
Okay.
Okay.
Once
So
they're ready for finished product, they send to plant.
yeah. So then we will take as a finished product here. The
Okay.
components will be removed from our storage location. Okay. So once we taken back FG, that FG will be updated in our side.
Okay.
Okay. Check. And post. Okay, obviously. Slash and no device. Purchasing account determination. This topic we are not covered, that account determination.
Yes.
Okay, so there we will check how GLs will be triggered automatically in the backend. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll take the process. Okay. Fashion, okay, B9. Okay, 4, 7, 14, 14. Okay, now we taken a goods receipt. Okay, so our PO, so you can see the stock again. It is
I
come
have
to
those.
our finished product.
Okay.
Okay, then once it is done, then we can initiate this for the goods receipt. Sorry, payments. Myro
Okay.
invoice payment to the vendor. So when you do the invoice payment, what will happen? It will be service payment only, not for the
Whole
charge,
material payment.
full material payment. Only the service charge we are going to pay those guys.
Okay.
Okay. So this is this thing. Okay.